Yo, bruh, goddamn, bruh, like, damn, bruh, like, I smashed my phone screen trying to record videos for my YouTube channel, bruh, like, damn, my phone screen is crashed, like, but at least I can record and, yeah, man, what's up, YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very dope beat, bruh. Yo, man, listen to this violin. Man, and I'm gonna show you everything that I add on this beat. Yo, man, the violins, they give me that feeling, bruh. Like, yo, make sure you watch until the end. Peace. Synths.